Jason visits a remote village for work. He used to observe the little children. They are always happy playing. He enjoyed being with them. It made him feel joyful. He spent a lot of time with them, trying to find out what made them so happy. One day, he decided to give them a gift. He bought some nice chocolates and gift-wrapped them. He called all of the children to play a game. Whoever reaches the tree first gets the gift, he said. The children waited for the signal to start. To his amazement, the kids held each other's hands and ran together towards the tree. They all reached at the same time. They distributed the chocolates evenly among themselves. Jason asked, "Why did you all run together? One of you could have run fast and got all of the chocolates." A little girl said, "Ubuntu. How could any one of us be happy if others were sad?" Jason learned an important lesson that day about happiness in life.